How to upload driver documents to Bolt. Need to upload your driving documents? Here's how to do it quickly through Bolt. First, log into your Bolt driver app and open the document sections from the menu. Tap upload document, then choose the file type, driver's license, insurance, registration, or ID. Select your file or take a photo directly within the app, then hit submit. Wait for confirmation. Both usually reviews and verifies uploads within a certain time. Make sure all details on your documents are visible and match your registration info exactly. Ever had to re-upload because of blurry images? Let me know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can upload driver documents to Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.